Good Monday morning, everyone. Welcome back to Atlanta and Company. I'm Christine Pallara. Needles stuck in your face. That may not sound too appealing, but what if I tell you it doesn't hurt, and what it can do for your face is just amazing. Double board certified plastic surgeon Dr. Mark Beaty is here, and he has brought along his lovely patient, Miss Vanessa John. Thank you both for being here. Great to have you back, doctor.
Thank you. Thank you, Christine. We're happy to be here.
Well, let's talk about this. It's a great way to get people intrigued, right? Needles in your face. What is this procedure, microneedling? What's it all about?
Okay. Microneedling is one of the newest things that we have technologically for dealing with improving skin quality and skin tone. Now, the needles may sound a little bit scary, but focus on the micro part of it.
Exactly.
What we're doing here is trying to find a way that we can get products, serums, a little bit more deeply into the skin than just by putting them on the surface. Oh. That is where this little device comes into play. This is a Rejuvenate.
Okay.
Okay. And
if you would hold it up like right in the middle, I want the camera to get a good shot of that.
This is the microneedling device.
There we go.
Okay. All right. So what this does, this has tiny little needles that are meant to just introduce things beneath the surface of the skin. So we can use serums, we can use growth factors, we can use stem cells, and the act of the needling itself stimulates the skin to create new collagen and elastin.
Wow, that's amazing, because we do spend all this money on serums and lotions and potions, and so this just helps it get to where it needs to go and to rejuvenate that skin again.
That is exactly right. And most importantly, it is something that can still be done with no downtime.
Terrific.
And with essentially no discomfort.
And what kind of problems does this address?
Okay, this is great for improving skin texture, skin tone, fine lines and wrinkles, even up to medium depth wrinkles. It's also good for scarring. We use it on acne scars. We can use it on surgical scars, and it improves all of those areas of facial skin.
And Vanessa, what issues were you concerned with? Tell us more.
Yeah, as a teenager, I had pretty moderate to severe acne, which left me with scarring on both my cheeks and chin that I was pretty self-conscious about. So I was looking for something that would be fairly non-invasive, but would still provide me with significant results.
And tell us what the experience is like, because I said it doesn't hurt. I read that, because they numb you typically?
Yes, absolutely. When I first arrived, the skincare specialist really made me feel at ease. She applied a numbing cream all over my face, and about 30 minutes later began the procedure, which lasted another 30 minutes.
Wow, look at that.
So it was about an hour in total that I was there.
That is incredible. We're looking at some befores and afters. And so, doctor, you mentioned something called platelet-rich plasma. What is that, and how does it improve the facial appearance? And do you use that in conjunction with the microneedling?
Well, let's start by talking about platelet-rich plasma itself. This is a product that we make from the patient's own blood. And essentially what we're doing is concentrating stem cells, growth factors, and platelets from the blood itself. So this is completely safe because it comes from you.
Wait a minute. I think I've heard, what's her name? Not J-Lo, Kim Kardashian.
Well,
is this something she got done, the vampire facial?
She had a vampire facial done, yes.
Same thing?
Well, it is a similar idea. It is a similar idea. But what we're doing is we're using your own blood products, but we're selecting the specific things that we want, which are the stem cells and growth factors. These are the parts of your blood that are responsible for helping tissue to grow and to mature.
How do you extract that, if I may ask?
Yeah, it's super simple. It's just like a regular blood draw, as if you were having a blood test done at your physician's. We then take that and process it through a couple of steps, which is how we create the platelet-rich plasma, and that can then be used in a number of different ways, microneedling being one of them. We find this can be used like a serum along with the microneedling device in order to create some further stimulation and maturation of the dermal skin cells.
And again, the vampire facial then differs because?
Okay, vampire facelift is essentially a trade name for using platelet-rich plasma. The vampire facelift refers to an injection technique where we actually, rather than microneedling it, we take the platelet-rich plasma and re-inject it into certain areas of the face. For instance,
same kind of principle, like little by little?
In general, but yes, we can treat nasolabial folds, we can treat deeper lines and wrinkles, say around the eyes or on the forehead.
So very specific areas.
Yes, it does tend to be used more for that. Also, it enhances the effect of injectable fillers like Juvederm and Restylane, so often we will use those in conjunction with each other to get a longer lasting and more complete effect.
Wow, that's so neat. And Vanessa, has this been a great experience for you? I mean,
Oh, absolutely.
the befores and afters, it's incredible.
Yeah, absolutely. It's been a huge confidence boost. I feel comfortable going out without makeup, whereas before I always felt that I had to cover up. So it's been really freeing in a way, you could say.
Yeah. And we have one more before and after. And Doctor, if you want to address the picture we're about to show, look at that.
Sure. So similar kind of thing in both of these examples. We've just done microneedling, and so this is the type of, with a fairly straightforward and simple procedure, we can get very nice results with no downtime and essentially no discomfort.
Doctor, if somebody is just maybe in their 40s, somebody hypothetically in their 40s and, you know, is just trying to do it as an anti-aging technique, is that okay too? Would I be a good candidate, in other words?
Absolutely.
Doctor, let's not beat around the bush. Sounds awesome. I'm signing myself up.
So the answer is yes. This is exactly the type of thing that is on the evolving edge of age management medicine, because it has not only a stimulative and restorative effect, but it has a preventive effect too.
Right. So that sounds great. Doctor, thank you. You have a great special for all of us to get us started.
Yes, we do. So for the entire month of October, any procedure that we do using platelet-rich plasma is going to be 20% off.
Wow, that's incredible. Any platelet-rich plasma treatment, vampire facial, microneedling, 20% off.
Correct.
Just call or go to the website. Thank you both for being here. Vanessa, thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Again, if you would like more information about Beaty facial plastic surgery or to take advantage of that great offer, please give them a call, 770-753-0053, or log on to beatymd.com.